Welcome to Tiffin Motorhomes.
This is Tiffin Motorhomes. What began as one building in 1972 has grown into a sprawling state-of-the-art factory, reflecting Tiffin's success as a manufacturing leader in luxury Class A motorhomes. Tiffin is family-owned and operated, so you never have to worry about us compromising quality to appease a board of directors. We operate with the same policies our founder, Bob Tiffin, established more than 40 years ago.
Build it well.
Make it better.
Back it with good service.
Listen to our customers.
With our support, our employees master their craft to its highest level. And that job satisfaction and workmanship shows in every coach. In fact, to ensure superior quality, we build many of the components that go into your motorhome ourselves. The cooperative spirit that thrives at Tiffin has led to what we call game changers, innovations that raise quality, improve construction, or enhance customer service. These are ingredients for particle board, sawdust and glue, which is what some think are acceptable building materials for cabinets, but are prone to warp and deteriorate. At Tiffin, we only select the finest natural hardwoods, like alderwood and cherry. It's artisan-grade wood that will last the life of your coach. Every day in our woodworking shops, we build more than 3,600 parts, cabinets, drawers, doors, decorative panels, and more. Meticulous detail goes into each component. Raw wood is inspected for flaws, with only the best accepted. Even the parts that seldom show, such as the back of a cabinet door, are as finely finished as everything else. Before these parts are assembled, they take a trip through our 247-foot finishing tunnel. It's been a real game changer for us because we're able to sand, stain, seal, sand again, varnish, and heat dry cabinets in your stain of choice, all in one place. Filtered air circulates throughout, eliminating tiny particles that can land on wet surfaces and flaw the ultimate finish. It takes true craftsmanship to transform plain wood into beautiful furniture that lasts, and you're going to love how it looks. While the industry standard is to provide 30 to 40 cabinets and drawers for storage, here's another game changer for us. Tiffin delivers almost twice as much. It's called our Store It All Assurance. With smart spatial engineering, we make good use of every square inch of the interior, allowing us to provide for drawers and cabinets of all sizes throughout the coach. We also listen to customer feedback to help us craft the storage solutions that work best for you, which means you can bring just about anything along for the ride. In addition to plentiful interior storage, our coaches offer cargo space underneath, and we go the extra mile to keep your belongings safe and sound. Our heavy, durable, fully insulated compartment doors are a Tiffin exclusive. Rather than rely on outside vendors, we design and build our door systems ourselves, giving us complete quality control. While the typical industry method is to build doors in multiple sections held together by fasteners that can come loose, our doors are solid metal, 12-gauge aluminum for the exterior, 18-gauge aluminum for the interior, secured with 16-gauge powder-coated steel hinges and latches, and an automotive-type door frame seal. So when you close our doors and hear that resounding click, you can rest assured, knowing everything is safe and secure. It's quality you can see and hear. For the best example of how to seal the top of a motorhome, we looked at the bottom of a boat. A boat's hull is made with seamless fiberglass. It's strong and durable, and of course, it keeps water out, which is exactly what our roofs do for you. One single sheet of 1/8 inch thick seamless fiberglass with rolled edges to fit securely against sidewalls. Leak resistant and incredibly durable. Talk about a game changer. And here's another. Press a button and your hallway turns into a room. Slide outs are found on every Tiffin coach. Traditional construction is to fasten 4 walls together into a box. But what we learned about fiberglass while building our roofs led us to this next game changer: how to build slide outs that didn't need fasteners. Using a fiberglass mold, we create a seamless slide out, reducing 8 seams to 0 seams. No fasteners, no seams, and most importantly, no worries for you. Smartslides are available on select Tiffin models, and because they have a lower exterior profile, they create a smoother appearance. Press this button and watch them virtually disappear. Tile floors in a motorhome can be installed in many different ways. Broken into pieces or as strips glued down in high traffic areas that over time can shift, peel, or come loose. At Tiffin, we put each tile in place first, like assembling a puzzle. Then, tiles are bonded and gridlocked into one piece. Using a computerized wet saw propelling 50,000 pounds of sand and water, this solid piece is cut to match a specific floor plan, front to back, edge to edge. The result is a quiet, sturdy, dimensionally true foundation installed directly onto the chassis of your motorhome. It's ready for anything and as practical as it is beautiful. You'll enjoy watching the scenery change with every mile through your seamless panoramic windshield, featuring the pristine visual clarity of high-grade automotive safety glass. And it's 100% sealed to block wind noise. The windshield is an exact fit into our front end cap, installed automotive style for greater structural integrity. Just a beautiful view that you'll never get tired of. Our wiring harnesses bind the miles of wire and cable needed to power your coach's appliances, TVs, lights, and countless other items. Constricting wires into space-saving non-flexing bundles protects against vibration, abrasions, and moisture. Harness assembly is a process Tiffin has down to a science. All wires are color-coded by use, clearly identified by inkjet labeling, then crimped and spliced using an advanced sonic welding process and a heat shrink covering that virtually eliminates failure. Numbered boards help assemble wires for each section of a coach into the harnesses. We've also implemented Multiplex Wiring that allows multiple electronic messages to travel through the same wire. This game changer significantly reduces the number of wires needed in your coach, which reduces the potential for electrical problems. Every appliance on a Tiffin coach has to earn its way aboard. We perform a series of performance checks, from withstanding extreme temperature fluctuations to the ease of maintenance on the go. So if they don't make it, we don't use it. How our paint department starts with a blank canvas and creates something spectacular is yet another game changer. Depending on the model and the paint scheme, Tiffin's painting process requires anywhere from 9 to 12 steps. Sanding prepares the surface to ensure smooth application. Tape is applied to areas that will not be painted. Stencils are applied to create the design. For the best performance, we use the highest quality paints. Each coat of paint is baked at 180 degrees to harden before the next is applied. For that impeccable finish, the paint booths use powerful downdraft vacuums, which suction air into the floor, smoothing surfaces and removing impurities that might mar the finish. Stencils are removed. Razors remove any edge that is left from the layers of paints, so the finish is perfect. A little touch-up here and there. And then, to seal and protect, we add layers of clear coat. Then another layer, another layer, another layer, and then a final layer. When your family name is seen driving down highways across North America, every detail matters. That's why we want you to have the utmost confidence in your coach, as well as a peace of mind you won't find with other manufacturers. You see, not only do we stand proudly behind our product, we stand behind you as well.
Thank you for visiting Tiffin Motorhomes.